Hello, everyone. Welcome to Tersus webinar. Today, I will introduce a new product, Tersus Total Station, TAS-Z1. During my introduction, if you have any questions, you can leave us a message. Our engineer will reply you in time. Okay, let's begin. I will introduce the total station in three parts. The main specification of TAS-Z1, the main features, and the onboard programs in TAS-Z1. First, let's see the main specification of TAS-Z1. You know, for total station, the most important specification is the measure accuracy and measure rate. From this picture, you can see that our angle measurement accuracy is 2 seconds, and the ATM max range for measure is 1,000 meter for non-prism, and 5,000 meter for single prism, 8 to 10 kilometer for triple prism, 800 meter for mini prism. The ATM accuracy is 2 millimeter with the prism, and 3 millimeter without prism. ATM measure time is 0.1 second for tracking and 0.3 second for measure in fan condition. This total station is a laser plummet total station. The operating system of this total station is TAS system, and the storage is 12 MB, about 100,000 points. The data transmission have two ways, USB and Bluetooth. For data input, we support CSV format. For data output, we support DAT, CSV, DXF, and TXT for kinds format. The telescope magnification is 30. Image is erect. Field of view 1 degree 30 seconds. Resolution is 3 seconds. The minimal focus distance is 1.2 meter. In this picture, you can see that the crosshair center coincides with the laser point. Which can get a faster and accurate aiming. Also, this total station have two rechargeable Li-ion battery, so it can support 24 hours work for angle measurement and 10 hours work for distance measurement. It has a push-down built-in battery compartment design, which is easy to lock and release the battery, and it can be operated by one hand. The operating interface is a double-face control panel, 6:9 display LCD. It has 12 function keys, 11 blue keys and 1 red key. Also have 12 alphanumeric keys. And these 12 alphanumeric keys also hotkeys. When the total station is under a normal measurement interface, you only need to click this numeric key, and you can get a quick access to other pages. Here is a table for the hotkeys and the corresponding page, which it can quick access to. As I said, our total station is a laser plummet total station. The laser point maintains visibility even in a critical lighting condition, which is much easier for users to set up the total station on point. The accuracy for laser is 1.5 millimeter. This total station withstands the severest condition. It can work at a temperature 20 degrees below zero and 60 degrees above zero. The dust and waterproof is AP55. From this picture, you can see that there are rubber rings between the telescope and the biaxial screw, and also rubber ring between total station and the fabric, which both prevent dust and reduce wear between parts. Let's see the main features. The total station have a dual axis compensator. Dual axis compensator means that in case of the total station is not completely level, it can correct the error with a certain rate. Through the dual axis compensator, feedback to tilt angle and get accurate measurement. Because the external environment may have an impact on the instrument, like people walking, car passing, the compensator detects changes in a tilt angle within certain range, 30 seconds, and corrects these slight changes in real time so that the instrument can maintain a horizontal and vertical measurement state. This total station also have advanced EDM technology. The measure range is very long, 1,000 meters without a prism, 5,000 meters with one prism. Also, the measure speed is high, only need 0.1 second for tracking and 0.3 second for measuring a fine condition. The accuracy can be 2 mm with the prism. With this advanced EDM technology, we can measure it directly. We can measure directly not only by prism, by a reflector sheet, but also directly on walls, colors, point on the road face, tuning fences, tree break, and other stuffs where the total station laser can hit directly. So it usually used for some place where it's difficult and dangerous to set a prism, such as hall monitoring, chemical plant construction, mining survey, and topographic survey. That's above is all about the hardware part. Now let's see the software part, the onboard surveying programs in TAS-Z1. This total station have various programs on board, which can be used for most construction work, such as data collect, offset, resection, angle repeat, IEM, MLM, Z-coordinate, area, point to line, and road. For offset measurement, we have three kinds: the angle offset, distance offset, column offset. Offset measurement is used to find a point where a target cannot be installed directly. IM means the remote elevation measurement. The height of the target can be measured without a prism at the target point. Like this picture, if you want to measure point A, here is impossible to set a prism. So if we use the IM program, we only need to measure the point, this point, which is right under the point A, and use this program, we can get the coordinate of point A. It usually used to measure the height of buildings, trees, or any other subjects. Also, it can measure or verify the safe altitude or of high cable and high voltage power lines. MLM, missing measurement. MLM is a measurement of HDVD, SD, HL, HR between two arbitrary points. The coordinates of points can be invoked from the long file or current file inputting by manual or by measurement. It can be used for stake out the road, cross section, traverse, and deformation monitoring. Z coordinate. It is known as a height transfer. This function determines the height of an occupied point from a measurement of a known point. Road program is in TAS-Z1 is a kind of program wrote by linear element method, which can calculate the coordinate of middle line by positive and negative computation. It can calculate horizontal and vertical curves of any type of road, allowing for discontinuous changes in radius of horizontal curves, including non-complete transition curves with any large deviation angle, straight line elements with straight turning points, and any broken chain pairs. Okay, that's all for today. Just a brief introduction of total station TAS-Z1. If you have any more questions about press or any technology questions, you can send emails to us. Later, we will release more videos and documents about this total station and also about the program and the programs and function for this one. Please follow our social media and YouTube account. You will get more information about our products. Okay. That's all for today. Thanks for your time. See you.